Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to start a successful lemonade business. First, research local regulations for food sales and any necessary permits to ensure compliance. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your startup costs, ingredient expenses, and a competitive pricing strategy. Finally, focus on sourcing high-quality ingredients such as fresh lemons, pure sugar, and clean water to create a delicious product that customers will love and return for. This foundational planning is crucial for a smooth launch. Once your plan is solid, it's time to set up your stand. Select a high-traffic location, perhaps near a park or community event, to maximize customer visibility. Design an appealing stand with clear, attractive branding and signage that draws people in. Make sure you have all the essential equipment, including a large cooler to keep your lemonade chilled, plenty of cups, and a cash box for transactions. A well-organized and inviting setup makes a big difference. Effective marketing and sales are key to growing your lemonade business. Offer small samples to potential customers. It's a great way to attract new people and get immediate feedback on your product. Leverage social media platforms to announce your location, hours, and any daily specials you might have. Also, consider implementing a simple loyalty program, such as a punch card for a free drink after 5 purchases, to encourage repeat business and build a loyal customer base. To grow your lemonade business, think about expanding your offerings. You could introduce new, exciting flavors or even offer complimentary snacks like cookies. Exploring catering opportunities for local events, school functions, or private parties can significantly boost your sales and reach. And speaking of enjoying things, you can enjoy reading anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for catching up on your favorite books or learning new business strategies. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to help your business grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.